Hi there, I'm Bryce from Co-Enterprise, and over the next few minutes, I'm going to talk to you about Syncrofy, a SaaS solution that we developed to help you achieve faster, easier, and more detailed visibility into your supply chain data. So let's get started. Syncrofy is a powerful multi-enterprise data platform that enables transparency, intelligence, and automation across supply chain networks. Simply put, Syncrofy brings next-generation transparency into a wide variety of EDI documents. It extracts intelligence by correlating those documents and helping automate what action should be taken to prevent issues from occurring. Syncrofy sits between your existing technologies and trading partners to shine a light on blind spots that result in time lost and revenue leakage. It ingests existing documents that are already being traded to bring your teams and trading partners, regardless of their EDI expertise, a single, real-time, easy to understand source of truth for orders and documents. Some examples of the documents could be purchase orders, ASNs, invoices, and others. Syncrofy doesn't replace your ERP or other homegrown system of record, but exists to fill in the gaps of those systems by providing real-time, self-service access to critical supply chain data so you can make quick, informed decisions on how to run your business. Syncrofy is used by world-class companies across a multitude of industries. These customers are saving time and money with Syncrofy in areas they didn't even think possible. That's what Syncrofy does. Regardless of the industry or whether they're a supplier, retailer, or manufacturer, they share the same pain points: gaps in visibility and correlation across EDI documents that are impacting their business and bottom line. By standardizing EDI data, business users and customer service, logistics, accounting, and others can access the critical transactional data they need without having to open a ticket with their IT department. Quickly researching individual documents, identifying shipment and invoice discrepancies, and setting up alerts to proactively avoid supply chain disruptions are just a few of the key features that I'll be showcasing today. After implementing Syncrofy, our customers are seeing an average of 55% reduction in the time they spend researching issues, a 30% reduction in chargebacks, and 20% reduction in procurement costs. These are just a few of the areas that customers are seeing an impact with Syncrofy. So let's dive into a demonstration to explore some of the most popular ways that Syncrofy customers are using the platform and finding value every day. The first feature I want to showcase is our global search functionality. A large pain point that Syncrofy solves is quickly finding and understanding EDI documents that are both inbound and outbound to trading partners. In fact, some of our customers have called Syncrofy their Google for EDI. Here at the top, you can quickly input the order or document reference number and see all associated documents. Now you can see the EDI document here has been normalized and allows a non-technical user the ability to read critical fields and understand the status of the document. Here you can see this particular purchase order was functionally acknowledged and also accepted. And if we scroll down, we can see here that there are 4 line items that are also associated with this particular purchase order. Additionally, if you'd like to see the pre-translated raw EDI payload, you can click and view it here. One customer went from spending over 50% of their time each day searching for EDI documents down to less than 5% a day on that. And the value of having this type of search functionality is because Syncrofy is ingesting these documents from multiple sources. Without Syncrofy, a customer service rep will have to spend more time searching for that document in various locations or even opening a ticket with their IT team. The next feature I want to discuss is document correlation and how Syncrofy can provide a unified view of a purchase order lifecycle. If we use the global search functionality again, we're going to click on this particular inbound order. And by using 4-way matching, we can identify issues like shipment and invoice discrepancies. This can allow customer service or receiving teams the ability to identify overages or shortages before goods arrive. Additionally, you can see the status and drill into each particular document on this order. But if we drill into this particular short shipped item, we're brought to the line item level details, and now we can see exactly how many items have actually been short shipped for this particular order. And the value of this is really being able to have that real-time order status so you know exactly what's happening every step of the way and it quickly helps you avoid discrepancies between orders, shipments, and invoices. Another powerful part of Syncrofy is the ability to build custom reports. Let's say I'm a procurement professional for a retailer and I want to see all of my purchase orders that haven't been functionally acknowledged in the last week. And I want to save that filter so that every time that I log in, I'm able to go through and see exactly those particular purchase orders that are missing that functional acknowledgement. This type of customized reporting is not always available in other systems of record, and again, makes this another unique aspect of Syncrofy. After building reports, many Syncrofy users like to have those represented in a graph or chart, and that's where dashboards functionality comes in. Here you can see that Syncrofy has pre-built templates for a multitude of roles. Some examples include ASN error reporting, helpful for compliance teams, an accounts payable overview, helpful for tracking errors and invoices. And if we scroll down, we can even see shipments and lead times for more logistic-focused users. Additionally, you can create vendor scorecards like you see here, so you can save money by working with your highest performing, lowest cost vendors more often and work with the weaker vendors to improve their performance. The last feature I want to cover is the ability to create exceptions. Exceptions are rules configured at a company or individual level and can send out alerts in the form of a dashboard or an email notification. There are a variety of rules that can be configured. Rules can be configured to help when files are not processed properly, when certain documents are not received in a timely manner, and even when values within the documents are missing. To give you an example, if I click on this particular purchase order, I can identify that an SLA exception was triggered where a functional acknowledgement was not processed within 1 day of the document. Setting up rules like this allow the end user to be more productive with their day-to-day operations and leverage Syncrofy when critical issues occur. Syncrofy enables companies like yours to consolidate information that is scattered throughout multiple systems and make it accessible for all users and all departments without having to leverage IT staff resources. It stands apart from other platforms in the market today with its ability to calculate fill rate and lead time for both orders and shipments, reconcile invoices against purchase orders, shipment documentation, and receipts to identify quantity and price discrepancies. To learn more, connect with a solutions expert today.